First example of symmetry is orchids. The second is white angels. So this is the third example of symmetry.
Fourth example of symmetry, which is okra. Five example of symmetry. So let's move to the other pattern of nature, which is fractal. So this is one example of fractal. So here are the one example of the fractal, which is papaya leaves.
The third is sarisa. And the last one is elephant ear plant. The example of dendritic. One of the example of spiral, which is mosquito coil. This is the second example of spiral, which is water droplets.